Hey everyone, need a free tool to schedule appointments for your business? Today we're comparing two popular options, Square Appointments and Fresha. Let's break them down and see which one's the best fit for you. First, Square Appointments. Square Appointments is a simple tool for small businesses, especially those with a physical location like salons or shops. It's got a free plan that lets you book unlimited appointments for one location, manage clients, and take payments with its built-in point-of-sale system. You can share your booking page online and it works great on mobile app for both you and your clients. The free plan is awesome for solo businesses, but you'll pay transaction fees like 2.9% plus 30 cents for online payments. Next is Fresha. Fresha is designed for beauty and wellness businesses like salons and spas. Its free plan offers unlimited bookings, team members, and locations with no subscription costs. You get a mini booking site, automated reminders, and a point of sale system. Fresha also has a marketplace where new clients can find you. The catch? You pay a 20% commission for new clients booked through the marketplace, plus small fees for text or add-ons. Comparison. Both tools are free and easy to use, but they shine in different ways. Square Appointments is great for small businesses needing a simple, all-in-one tool with payment processing. It's perfect if you're a solo owner or have one location, but fees can add up if you process lots of payments. Fresha is ideal for beauty businesses wanting to attract new clients through its marketplace. It's super flexible with no limits on team size or locations, but the commission for new clients might be a downside. Which is better? Choose Square Appointments if you're a small business or solo owner looking for a reliable, no-fuss scheduler with payment options. Go for Fresha if you're in the beauty industry and want to grow your client base with a marketplace, especially if you have a bigger team or multiple locations. That's it. Pick the one that fits your business best. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Like and subscribe for more videos.